Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of Captipic. This is the cloud-based software that allows you to be able to create customized images that can pop up on your website, or you can even put them in your emails. Now, here's an example of one on my screen right here. As you can see, it is a pop-up image. It's popped up, and it's given a coupon code of 20% off. Now, it says, do not go Sarah, so it's customized it for someone called Sarah. Here's 20% off your purchase of shoes. So it's customized. You can see it's got the person's name, and it's customized based on their name. You can do it via their location. You can do first and last names, all these sorts of things. Now, here's one in an email. Okay, just a very basic show of what can be done. So it's embedded in an email, the image. Thank you very much for your subscription, Craig. So it's using the name Craig for this demo one. Okay, and it is in an email. Now, with this sort of stuff, it is proven to boost conversions. Top marketers such as Frank Kern and a few others do it as well. There is ways where people use it for emails just in your name, in your email header subject. It will say, hey Sam, blah blah blah, whereas this is images, and when combined with a pop-up and a coupon and all those sorts of things, it just gives it that extra little personalized touch. Now, you could use these on squeeze pages, you could use these on sales pages in your store, anything to try and get someone in and over the line to be able to make a sale. Now, if this increases your conversions by just a few percent, it's going to be well worth your time, because for every 100 visitors you get, that means a few extra sales just through the personal touch. So very cool, quite a cool fresh idea, and quite easy to do. So let's jump over into the software, and I'll show you how quickly and easily you can make one of these. So here I am in the software, got a picture here as well just to do it. So if I go into my Captipics and I go add an image, now I'm going to go into the add image, and basically very, very simple on the left here, image name. So let's call this demo image, and I choose a file. So I upload a file, and I can choose it. In my photos of me, I conveniently have pictures of me standing in front of a whiteboard, writing things on a whiteboard, writing in a whiteboard as well. These were just random photos taken a few months ago when I was with the other Sam doing a few things. So we could just choose any picture. Let's just choose this one in the coat. I'm going to let that upload as it uploads, and we'll take a quick look at what's down the left while that uploads, because I'm on a relatively slow connection here. So here we can choose the font. There it is. Well, it's actually uploaded already. So we can see, the part of the image where we want our text. So I'm going to drag that over. There it is. It says you are awesome, just for start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in something here, and I'm going to just say welcome on board email, so name. So I could make it any sort of call to action I want. Now, instead of the email tag, what I can do is, as you can see in the autoresponder, you can use custom other autoresponder tags. In MailChimp, it's got a few, it has them all written up ready for you. Same with Aweber, you can do it. So it's got the different types of tags. So if you're using Aweber, you're going to want to use that email tag. You can use first name, last name, country, city as well. So you can base it based off that too. So, and you can also do your own custom shortcodes if you have your own custom ones for your own website, for your own autoresponder as well. You can build these in. So you can see I've got one down there called test. So for MailChimp, let's just use first name, MailChimp. So it does first name in brackets. Very simple. Now, this is the text here. So I can customize the text. I can choose from a number of different fonts. Tangerine, no idea what that font looks like. Looks all sort of a bit crazy. So we'll just choose Great Vibes. Sounds like a, oh, look at that one. That one's pretty crazy as well. So let's go size. We'll make this 32. So you can see it's like that. Let's just choose something that I know is quite clean. Railway. There it is. Welcome on board. First name. Can align it in the middle. Can align it to the right, to the left, whatever I want. I can crank angle onto it. I can either do it by this, by just putting in the number, or what you can do is where it's got this rotate, you can drag and move it as you wish as well, to be able to put different angle on it. Moving it where you want it to is quite easy. Just grab it on the text. You can adjust the size by grabbing and dragging the corners as well as you need to. Okay, and you can choose different colors of the text and things like that, as you'd expect. Now, once you've done all of this, very simple. You can either just quickly preview it to see what it looks like. However, we've got it right here on the page, so I'm just going to click Save and Code. Now, it's given me a prompt that it may not be saved for some reason, so I'm just going to click leave because I know it is saved because I did a demo test one before. Now, once we've got it, we can preview it, we can share it on the internet. However, the main thing would be is to find the code. So here it is. We've got the URL, we've got the HTML tag, we've got HTML tag and hyperlink if we want to do that as well, which we can copy to our clipboard and paste it into our emails, into our website, wherever we need it as well. On the right here, you can create pop-ups as one of the upsells. So you'll be able to create a pop-up that holds it in. So basically like this. So you can create pop-ups, embed them into your site as a pop-up instead of having to embed it into a pop-up builder. Also, you can create your own shortcode, like we said before. You can add a new one and put it all in as well, so it's there in your list as you go through. Number of templates as well, which you have, which are generic with a laptop, just a few blank canvases, things like that, which you can use too. And of course, there's a whole bunch of different training videos as well. So with this software, I did go through some of the training videos to learn how to do a few things, just to make sure I knew I was doing it right. So they've got all the training videos here included in the software as well. So that is basically Captipic in a nutshell. Very simple, very easy to go about adding it into your website and get these customized images like you see here, onto your site to help boost conversion. So check it out in detail on the bonus page down below. Get in during the early bird to get it at the best price possible. This is Sam, and hope you enjoy the software Captipic.